Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So viewers, I hope you're fine. I'm also fine. In this video, I'm gonna show different wood and stones art. It is very unique and beautiful ideas for different pebble art, rocks art, stone art, different pebble painting, and etc. And it's very unique and beautiful ideas for yourself. You can make different types of beautiful pebbles art, rocks art, different classic stones, different classic art for animal for kids. And I hope you like it. Then you like it, viewers, so please like my video, share my video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon, viewers. So Allah Hafiz, take care, bye, see you soon.